upside. If we can get above 19,850, we'll get into a little low volume pocket between 850 and 875, and maybe we can push higher. Maybe follow this ES here. But nice trade, Jack. Nice job.
Yes, a little more than 1-to-1. I was growing impatient with that. I still, if we can hold, once again, this is my range type day. I contemplated adding around here to see if we could just double down and hold the initial balance, but it's Fed day.
Is Fed day. Coach J, are you still shorts? 56.23s.
No, I got flat. I took 2 off kind of near the lows, near 22. I had 4, and I took the rest off for break even at 31.5.
Can we get a P&L update from you, sir?
Order filled.
Plus 144.
Nice
Straight
job.
into micros.
In the combine, plus 144.
Order filled.
Any green pre FOMC is excellent. Absolutely excellent.
I like to add long, Dracula. You're a braver person than I.
You still just got one little. Yes,
No,
it's a mini.
We're flat up 782.
Oh, let's go. Up 782. Jack is cooking this morning. Does that put us up over 1,000? Yes, it does. House account up 1066 on the day. That is awesome. Maybe a 2-day win streak. That'd be pretty sweet. Had a good day yesterday as well. NQ
So
getting up to those 850s.
In these wiki markets, I'm sometimes just trying to get what I can. I think I've lost a lot of trades that have been quite far in my favor by just playing for the club banger. And it's tough with the way things wick right now with the tweets and Percent testifying all the time and all that. And Lutnick is still out there just waiting. Lutnick come out at any time and F everything up.
I thought they were in a blackout period, Jack. Has that been lifted?
Lutnick's, he's not a Fed member. He can say whatever he wants.
Oh, yeah, man.
Lutnick is the Secretary of Commerce.
Oh, yeah, he's clear to chit-chat. He's fun. I thought he was a Fed guy. There's just so many Fed people. But when's the Fed speaker thing lift?
Presumably after the announcement today.
Okay. I remember for a while, it was just like every other day. It was just them randomly coming on and speaking and just messing the markets up. Those are good times.
Indeed.
Indeed. JD would love to cover the big board if he's back there somewhere. Cicero's finest. If not, it's fine. We'll just keep on talking until he comes on air. Do have John London coming up at 11:15. Also do have Hoagland coming up at 11. The one and only John Hoagland. He'll be covering the morning recap, what trades we took. Should be pretty good, actually. Mostly green. Teddy Bear in chat. Just passed my 100K trading combine. Congratulations.
Nice.
That is awesome. Love seeing that. It is just the beginning. As Hoag would say, dance with the one you brought. What he means by that is don't change a thing when you get to XFA. Keep on trading the same strategy. It got you past the trading combine. Get you through the XFA. Just keep on doing the same thing.
Except most people pass by YOLOing in 2 days. So, I don't know. The VIP coaching has been an eye-opener.
Oh, really?
Just
care to share,
opinion,
Deanna?
Man.
Well, I obviously get slightly different clientele on my private side. They come to me, they're like, yes, we will listen, no problem. And usually they're people who have tried trading with their own capital and they're pretty careful at that point. And then I went into a VIP and, I started looking at people's stats and they started posting their stats. I started seeing 100 trades a day, 190 trades a day, but all like negative risk reward with low accuracy. And I was like, how is that going to work over time? Like it won't. And, I was really challenged by the definition of what I thought was scalping versus what other people thought scalping is. So,
Mhm.
it's been an eye opener. Let's just put it that way. But yeah.
Yeah, that is. Sure, you've seen a lot. We do have season 3 coming up. However, we have JD in the wings. Let's bring JD in, go over some stats and everyone's favorite, the big board.
Let's do it. First up, we've got our Fund to Trader hot streaks from yesterday. Let's take a look at these. Up top, we've got Luke hanging on for another day. 60 days worth $10,725. Pulled $206 trading the MNQ and ES yesterday. I'm sorry, $340 trading the MNQ and ES yesterday. Richard also still hanging in there. 53 days worth $11,092. Made $210 trading the micro S&P yesterday. Daryl
Order
picked up
filled.
3.25 trading the MNQ, $327. Now at 40 days worth $9,489. Leon, our hot streaks P&L leader, picked up $200 trading the MNQ, 40 days worth $53,493. That is a nice 40-day hot streak for Leon. And Sebastian rounds out our top 5 here, $422 trading the micro Nasdaq. Now at 35 days, we're at $12,399. All right, Eddie, give the people what they want.
You take drugs, Danny? Every day. Good.
Here is your big board, folks. The top 25 live funded traders here at Top Step. Right up at the top there, we've got Cryptos KJ. He was on our P&L leaderboard earlier today. Picked up, what was that number? $5,643 trade in the NASDAQ yesterday. Cryptos KJ having an excellent month. Great start to the year for this trader. He's on top. He's taking big payouts. He's making he's having big paydays in the markets as well. Spy Gig, see her in the chat. We're trying to get around Top Step TV. It's coming real soon. Number 2, Spy Gig. CFT 0718. Oh, no other change to the top 5. CFT, Todd S, Sean D. Those are your top 5. Coach DBA dropped another notch down to 7th place. King C took over that spot. We had a couple other movers. Gerald C in 17th place. And O'Kang was the other one. In 6th place, he was up from 12th. These two traders took some astronomical payouts, or requested some astronomical payouts just today. So Kang requested a total of $72,000 in payouts today. And then we've got Gerald requested a $90,000 payout today. So those two traders are going to be on our payout board as soon as those clear through.
Wow.
Other than that, no big other movers on the big board. We've got Joswell in 15th place, also on our P&L list. And we round out the top 25 with Sukanti down there in 25th place. Other than that, we just kind of jacketed around positions. People swapped one spot here and there, but no real big change in the bottom half of the list. All right, folks, there it is. Get your cameras ready. Take your screenshots. Do not forget to tag Top Step when you post on social. Hashtag TopStep, hashtag TopStepTV. I guess you could hashtag the big board too, right? There it is. We'll leave it up for you guys for a few more seconds. Take your snaps now.
Thank you, JD.
JD? Yeah.
And
got
Yam
it.
Grohl in chat was like, where are they? Well, those are their Twitter or X handles. So if you want to go and follow the people on the big board, you just got to type in their @ and then Spy Gig or @Coach DBA, and that is their Twitter handle. You can go and follow them on socials. Jack, nice job getting out of that
Feeling
ES
shady.
one.
Well,
Very
I
timed.
put it back on. So it said, "Why aren't you trading?" It's like the 3rd trade I've made. Keep on going until
Yeah.
I lose one, which might be now. So around the same entry, I'm long one. Once again, feeling fady today. 1 ES 56.27 quarter. 56.27 will do. We took it off, and it's kind of the same trade as before. I don't see a ton of news. We had a pretty rapid decline. It looked like it stabilized, and basically, I'm just back in the same trade I was before.
Nice. And it was a
Yeah, there's actually been more trades than I expected today
yeah.
with this price action.
Yes, sir. So we peaked back below the
mean,
initial
yeah.
balance. Let's see if we can hold it. Go, little man, go.
Jack is range trading the ES, chopping it up. Chopping it up. C-Bob, C-Bob? How do you know if you're selected for VIP? We'll email you once we're done doing all the forms and the raffles and all that stuff. But that form is still pinned to the top. TopStep VIP form number 12. Make sure you fill that out. Just need to fill it out once. And that is it. And the more forms you fill out, the greater your chances of getting into a VIP team. Wow, nice range trade, Jack. Good stuff. Also, crude oil.
You gotta stop saying it before I take off the position.
Oh, sorry. I'll ignore you, Jack. You have 8 minutes left. I can ignore your trade for 8 minutes. That's easy. No one shores. Let's go to Jay's chart.
Just looking at what gold is doing here. We are still trading in that daily candle that made the all-time high. Low that candle is 33.75, 33.80 around there. We're still trading inside that. We're less than 4% off the all-time high in this futures contract. So I am in a long gold position on a swing trade. So just kind of, while the equities are chopping around, looking at what this market has the potential to do.
Nice. I like the analysis. Well, y'all, we've made it. 2.5 hours of pre-FOMC content is in the books. That was fun. It was fun. It was challenging. Markets obviously are very difficult to trade right now, unless your name is Jack Bonds. Just chopping it up. Also, some other good trades by
Since we're getting into lunchtime, I'm just gonna flatten everything and wait for FOMC. So plus $68, 36 cents.
I'm just trailing this guy. I moved the stop and the profit because it's a little bit below the initial balance. We'll see if we can hold this. I'll keep you updated on what happens with this ES contract.
Please do. Please do. So far, some good trading. We laughed. We cried. Chat TST. Found answers to questions that we did not think was possible. Got a tour of Dee's house. Got to see Coach Jay singing some Outcasts. So I would say, all in all, a very successful fast markets. Coming up next, though, we do have morning recap with Hogue. And then after that, we're going to be hanging out with the nicest man in trading, John London. He's going to come in and trade, give us some analysis of FOMC, some good knowledge of fundamentals. And also, he's on a bit of a hot streak in one of his 3 Express accounts. 7 days, 7-day winning streak. For John London, can't wait to talk to him. But for right now, we do have Hogue coming up. So we will see you all not later. See you in like 5 minutes. FOMC day. Stick around. We're doing it.
It's faster, cleaner, and includes real-time stats and instant XFA activation. Payouts are deducted instantly so you can get back to trading. Bank your resets and use on any active account. Every reset gives you 30 days. No rush, more control. Experience the evolution of TopStep. Join the waitlist today.